Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. I'm Gilbert for the people who don't know. Like and subscribe if you're new. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we are currently in the forest. You might wonder, Gilbert, why? Well, we are looking for acorns and pine cones today. So yeah, let's start the journey. Right, here's our bucket. We already put some stuff in it, like this ginormous pine cone, or this pine cone, and stuff, but good. Looks like we found one. That's good. Put it in our bag. Oh my! Oh, that's crazy. What the? Okay, I feel like I'm about to fall at any moment. Right, we found actually the four. Right here. Crazy. That's how our bucket looks like so far. That's crazy. And guys, let me know if you guys see any acorns or pine cones. So, let us know. Right, we found one right here, and we found some bark over there. And I'm gonna break it in a couple pieces, that way we can get it in. Yeah, break it a couple pieces. But we're almost full, which means when this gets full, we'll go over and end it. So, yeah. Also, we are very deep in here. Check around us. Yep. And by the way, if you can't hear me that well, it's because I'm sick right now, so don't mind off that. One, back. Oh, this is something up here there. Look at this. That's crazy. Like, what the heck? It's like a little baby. I'm gonna put that in, and then be good. So come on. Come on. That's tested. Found an acorn hat, but no actual acorn. Another baby pine cone. Lucky today. Yo. Oh. That's good. That's one thing. What the? Okay. And guys, that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know what everybody would like to see us next. We hope we post whatever you guys want, and if we post something certain, we always stick to that. So yeah, and as always, it's time for a new one.